are going to see what is Lofted boss base. In our last lecture we created or we insert these 4 planes, how to insert a plane we saw in our last lecture. So today we will see Lofted boss base, what exactly this. We will draw a simple structure, a simple sketch in each and every plane, then we will connect it through the Lofted boss. So first we will select plane 1, sketch. Go to sketch and select rectangle. Okay, now exit. See, in first plane we created, choose second plane, sketch, select normal and draw one small circle. Now exit and choose third plane, sketch, normal and here draw one rectangle. Okay, exit from the plane and the last plane or fourth plane, draw one sketch, circle and draw one circle here, quite bigger circle. Exit from this plane. Now see, in each and every plane there is a one sketch. Now we will connect it through Lofted and we will create a one solid body. Go to feature, see Lofted boss base. Add material between 2 or more profile to create a solid feature. Now this top is selected. Now select the bottom. If you will select corner, it is very helpful because this is the coordinate. Now see, this green line shows it is the coordinate. If it will not in proper way, the shape will be odd or even it will not look better. Okay. See, this is our 3D body created with the help of Lofted boss base. Just select re-edit, edit feature. If we will choose this coordinate, the dimension will change. See, the dimension and shape will be changed. So coordinate is very important. Edit feature. Now drag it up to clear and again we will select see, it is created our body and here the guide curve option, this is advanced option, we will see in our next lecture how exactly is going on. These all parameters we will see in next lecture. See, now delete this body and I'll show one more option. Now select Lofted boss base and select this geometries. And here in the end there is one option can thin feature. Select thin feature. Now this 3D model become a hollow. Choose 1 mm or 2 mm. This showing inside or outside. So we will keep outside. Okay. See, this our hollow 3D body is ready with the help of Lofted boss base. Even just select this all planes and click them and a one symbol appear, hide. Just click hide. Now see, all the planes hide. So it is very easy to hide the plane and now see a very beautiful cup we created with the help of Lofted boss.